Getting lost in the wilderness can be a terrifying experience. Each year, over 1,600 people in America alone vanish in national parks and forests, with hundreds never being found. When somebody goes missing, time is the enemy. Rapid response by search and rescue teams is critical. To assist in those first critical hours, I've created an emergency locator drone system. It provides wide area coverage and real-time mapping to dramatically quicken rescue times. The drone system utilizes a unique dropping mechanism that I developed that can hold up to 5 locator beacons and more in future versions. This same mechanism also allows easy integration of emergency supply bags without modification of the payload. When a hiker disappears and the search and rescue teams are called, drones launch alongside ground crews to enhance the search. Onboard AI calculates the optimal locations to parachute the beacons across the region. The beacons emit a very loud signal, as well as flashing lights to attract the lost person's attention. The lost person locates the nearest beacon, presses the SOS, and their location is transmitted back. This pinpoint accuracy allows for faster rescue versus grid methods. With their location locked in, the drone comes back to base and retrieves the emergency supply bag while teams approach by foot. This emergency supply bag can contain water, flashlights, communication equipment to help save lives. The drone software seamlessly shares all data for real-time coordination, and future versions will include 2-way radios, vital sign sensors, and other life-saving medical equipment in each beacon. With wide area coverage, real-time mapping, and emergency supplies, my system dramatically shortens response time. In the race to save lives, every minute counts. Over the years, countless families have been left wondering what became of their lost loved ones. But today, we have the technology to provide answers and reunite those separated in the wilderness. Please help me equip search and rescue units across the world with this system. Together, we can bring those who wander into nature's domain back home. Thank you.